Okay, I'm ready.
It's like coming up behind me and shooting the arrow over my shoulder going, it's this lady, not me, this lady.
Mm-hmm. Anytime you are ready, they're a lady.
I will charge him for this one, but the last group I will make you misdirect just because I like to get my...
Okay.
Yeah, I've never tanked on anything but a warrior, so I wouldn't feel real comfortable. I know what to do with a warrior, but not Pally. I'm like, I don't know.
Pally's easy.
You can also misdirect bosses to make sure that you're helping the tank get ag. You don't pull, but basically you're going to wait till I hit him. Then you're going to misdirect. And then hit the boss. So it means that you're helping to make sure that he's going to stay with me.
Gotcha.
Always feel free to misdirect. Are you ready, Scott?
You betcha.
I'm just getting a food buff quick.
Go for it.
It was almost out, and I want the extra stamina. Greg, you all set?
I'm ready when you guys are.
Okay.
Dad, why are you laughing? This ain't fun.
Oh, this is enjoyable. This will get a lot of hits with playing in the rain.
No, I gave you an update.
Make sure you guys watch out for the fell hunter that's going to come out. Keep the healer safe.
Who's the healer?
Scott Zuki. Unless I can get him. Oh, nice. He's already dead. Ooh, he punted me.
That's.
He's mine.
Yeah, he's almost dead anyway.
Yep. Summon Fellhound. I think I got him.
Yeah.
Fellhound's on me.
Yep. Don't forget my. Hey. What's the? Oops. What are we looking at here?
Damn, man, look at that attack power.
Oh yeah.
With stamina.
And if you got the quest, don't forget, go loot the guy for the hoof.
If Cat needs it, I'll pass.
Oh yeah, I just greeted. If you need it, need it.
Excuse me.
I don't know. It's only like 12%. It's kind of sideways. Can either of you guys use it as an improvement? It's not that good.
It's a downgrade. I have a 46 and this is a 33. I mean, it has more attack power than my current one, but that doesn't necessarily make it better.
Agility outranks attack power, but not by much.
Yep.
And if it's got more stamina, that'd be good for you just because.
It's the same stamina on the necklace I'm wearing. It's just that I would get more crit, more attack.
Yep.
But I would lose some strength.
Which is attack power, so. Come on, I can't target you.
We have to silence the archer, or they won't come, will they?
Greg's going to freeze the archer. You're going to misdirect the skull to me.
All right, let me know when you're ready.
I am ready.
All righty, going now.
He went straight over here.
I did not shoot.
We'll try that again. You sure?
I am positive.
No.
All right. We'll check to make sure. We'll
I don't think so.
No, I was letting Keith learn his
Oh, see.
misdirect.
I thought so.
You know I don't mess around with somebody's learning.
No, you don't usually. But it was easy enough to charge him. We'll do it again. That's all.
See, that's just a pain in the ass to target you first. I thought I did it the other way around.
Yep. You gotta target me first.
Because it's easy to...
Anytime you
You
want.
want me to do it again?
Yep.
See, I don't see misdirect coming up on her.
Yep, I did. I saw it this time.
All right, you got it. Yep, there we
And
go.
I did it the other way, which I like better. Target them, misdirect, and then choose cat, because I can choose cat off the left.
Yep.
Instead of trying to choose them when they're in the middle of a freaking crowd and you can't click the right one,
Oh, yeah. Yep.
if you know what I mean.
One of the tricks I use for misdirecting when we're doing groups like that is I always have my tank as my focus. And so I can instantly click on the tank and go right back to the skull. So skull's already targeted, but I can go tanks back to skull. That's one of my tricks, is the tank is always the target. I do that for healing too. Every person does it different, though.
Yep. Yeah, I've got you set
Every
it.
person does it different.
I've got you set as focus just so I can make sure I can find you in the group.
Right. Now
Okay.
these guys,
Mainly because I put this on you, my earth shield, you know?
I have to do these guys inside the circle, otherwise they just respawn. So I have to go
Yep.
down there for that.
Yeah, keep them there.
Yep. Are we ready?
Yep.
Sure. Damn it.
By charging the skull, I've given some rage or some aggro to him, and then I can concentrate on keeping the skull while everyone else beats on him.
You took pretty much 0 damage.
Good. It should be blowing fire again soon.
And that guy will be dead soon. And now boss is, or dragon's down anyway. Coming up, coming up, coming up.
I can walk back towards you. I'm just
That'd be
trying to-
good, just so I can keep my totems with everybody, you know?
Is that good?
Oh yeah, you're fine.
Turning.
Thank you. You got a little warm.
I did. Sorry.
No big deal.
Hey, that.
Oh yeah. That was so tough. And loot the guy again.
Let's see what wonderful prizes we get.
Ooh,
That-
spell power.
Yeah, that ring can be used by Hunter or by Scott.
Oh,
By
Yeah.
Billy.
it's a 22 upgrade from my chamois and it is a 783% upgrade from my warlock.
Well, then your warlock's taking it.
Yeah. Like, oh my god. That's a nice two-handed polearm there.
It's not for tanking.
No. All right, so let's. I know my warlock has done this before. All right, so let's see.
Make sure you get the letter off the head. Off the
Oh, everybody's
Do what?
the letter. But you've already done it, I'm sure.
I
Nope.
have, I
No?
have done the letter,
This guy right here.
Yep.
done the letter, but I didn't have the weekend ramparts because this isn't my first time taking it.
Yep. Cool. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
That was this.
So good. Okay, bye-bye.
Wasn't that hard?
You're not taking the shortcut yet?
I am.
Whee!
Here.
Did someone leave their cat there?
Yep.
You want to know why my warlock was such a big upgrade for him?
Good Lord.
Lavishly jeweled ring. That was from the dead mines. FYI.
Oh shit!
Sweet.
Damn, level 17.
It's such a high level. There is no level point on it for pawn.
Yeah.